you able to remove the doorknob?
Whoa. No.
No, not like that. Not by hitting it. Just pull it, and the doorknob will release from the door.
What do you mean?
Yeah,
Yes, move it to the left. The whole thing, move it to the left.
No.
There is a nail that goes into the door.
That thing right there.
Pull it towards
Oh, that's what you
towards your mom. There.
Oh my gosh. Try something like, yeah. Like a skinny thing. Like a towel. Oh, right there. So it's yours.
89 degrees. I think that's the indoor temperature. 89 degrees.
You want me to pull this?
There is a mail that goes in.
I know that.
Just get it to retreat.
But it doesn't
Move it to
do
the
that.
left.
I know
Okay,
what
twist
it is.
twist that needle nose plier. Does it
That doesn't
does
really
it do
Oh.
anything?
It, what if I drill this side also?
Do what you think is necessary.
Open the door. It's hot. Put the thing on full blast.
All right, let me have a go at it.